This 2025 Prime Time Sanibel 3883 LRWB is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Prime Time is 44 feet 11 inches in length and features a DUSK interior, sleeps 4, external shower, TV antenna, refrigerator, oven, spare tire kit, microwave, water heater, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, couples coach, front bath, rear kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.